How to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to our channel official help desk. Today let's learn how you can easily fix the issue that you have been facing on ChatGPT. So please make sure to watch this video and follow the steps till the end. So first of all, move into your web browser. Head over to the site chat.openai.com. It will lead you to this page where it says that ChatGPT is at capacity right now. In order to fix this error and use this site, here you need to click on Get Notified when we are back. You need to wait for a while. It will take you to this page. Here, instead of entering your email and getting notification from the ChatGPT when they are back, here what you need to do is click on this chat.openai.com. It will automatically fix the issue that you have been facing. Now you can log into your account or sign up for your account and use this site. If this doesn't fix your problem, you need to try this same process for several times. Well, in another step, what you can actually do is click on this three dot at the top right corner. Move into settings. Scroll down and head over to site settings. Click on all sites at the top. Search for the site of OpenAI. And then head over to it. Here what you have to do is clear and reset this site. Now go back and you have to refresh the page. After refreshing the page, you'll be able to use this chat OpenAI without any error. Well, this was for today and this was the tutorial video on how to fix the ChatGPT error that you have been facing. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.